Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today we're doing another swipe. I just picked some colors randomly. I'm going to be doing a center swipe, so I'm going to get you set up and we will get started. So I got my white base down because I like how it flows when I put paint on it, obviously. So I'm going to put my swipe color down first so I actually can create the center line that I want. It won't be center, I'll tell you that right now. And if it is, I will be shocked. Good enough. It's not center. Told you. Okay. So all the colors I will be using in the silicone oil will be listed in the description below. But these are the pretty colors I decided. This is the one. You'll see what this one is when I put it in the description, but it's one of my favorite ones. I'm going to try avoid putting it close to this edge. Or either edge really, because I know a lot of the paint will just like fall off and then you won't even see it. So there's that. Do the metallic next. What? Just throw it on the canvas, that works too. And I just threw a cat hair on the canvas. Good stuff, me. Come here. Darn it, Roman. There. Fixed it, kind of. And last but not least, I only wanted to use 3 colors this time. I didn't want to like go crazy, so I'm gonna try and put it like over it like that. A little bit closer. Instead of trying to avoid that bottom edge. So I will probably end up needing to add more black, but let's do things. I really enjoy the versatility of swipes and how many different kinds there can be, you know? Just trying to give it some help. Maybe I gave it too much help. See what happens when I torch it, because it looks like I might need to swipe it again. Oh, that did a whole lot of nothing. Like, I can see where I've dragged a lot of the paint off, so just add a little edge like that and drag more of that surface layer off. Like I said, not even by any means, but at least it's selling now. Whatever I can. Create a little bit of a line. That's what counts. So the whole reason I pour paint is because I can't draw at all. I understand it's like a skill that you can gain over time and blah blah blah. I just don't have the patience for it, I guess. Ow, my back just popped so loud. Don't think you would have been able to hear it though. Okay. No, I wanted to add black, not take it off. So I'm just trying to make my black line again because I did want to create a little bit of a divide, but should I use a brush? Probably not. I don't think I'd be able to put the paint down like this, you know? Okay, now I'll hit it with the torch again. Okay, I'm gonna try tilting it. Because apparently, there's quite a bit of paint here. Do you like the cells on this one edge? So, see what happens if I go like that. Bring it back. Okay, I'm gonna try and cover this line as best I can. Sorry, I think I'm developing allergies all of a sudden. Like, my nose has just been non-stop bugging me lately. So much paint on my hand. Okay. This one? No, the big one. Trying to grab my larger palette knife out of the two so I can do more of that with it. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna go like this, drag that over like so. I know I just destroyed a tiny little cell, but I gotta get rid of some of this and add some color somewhere. I'm just not scraping, but wiping it off in between. Because this did not work out as I had planned at all. Okay. Sticking to my paper. Oh no! Okay. Huh. I think I'm gonna try something in an upcoming video because I have an idea. I know, right? Crazy. An idea. So I'm just taking off my gloves because I gotta stop touching this, and the only way I'm going to is if I take off my gloves. So here we go. So I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit, and I will be back with a flyby. This corner came out very, very neat. Love it, love it, love it. The cells are so very pretty. I'm excited to see how the blue dries because it's metallic. This came out very bloom-esque, so I want to try and do a bloom with my silicone oil because I don't see why not. And then this section looks so cool, especially this spot where I lifted. Love it. And the cells are just so perfect. I'm very, very happy with this one, and I'll see you in the dry one. So this is the dried result. The cells came out just so perfect. I love it. And this came out like a bloom, like this thing here. So it makes me want to try doing that. The silicone oil, because I think I could do something along those lines. I think the cells came out so perfect over here too. which looks so neat. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Make sure you check out my other swipe that will be linked here in the end screen. Sorry about my air conditioner, it was really hot. And I'll see you in that next video.